Today we're at the SSAB site in Mobile, Alabama, and we're here to test a Hardox container versus a conventional container. First we're going to show its destructive power on concrete, and then next we're going to show it on the Hardox container, and then what it can do to a conventional container. With a conventional container, it took no time for the jackhammer to puncture through this steel wall, with this wall even being a 3/16 mild steel construction. As you can see with the Hardox container, even though it's an 1/8 inch Hardox 450 steel, much thinner and much lighter than the conventional container, even after several minutes with the jackhammer, it still would not puncture through the Hardox sidewall of this container. We're going to drop over a 650-pound piece of I-beam in each container. With this conventional container, we dropped that 650-pound I-beam in this container, and as you can see, we have 2 puncture marks in the floor of this conventional container. And this is a 1/4 inch mild steel floor. With the Hardox container, even after the 650-pound piece of I-beam dropped in the box, just some cosmetic damage to the paint, and that's all we have in this box so far. And then we're going to drop a 1,000-pound engine block in our Hardox container. Even after dropping over a 1,000-pound engine block in this Hardox container, as you can see, there's very little damage in the floor. Most of it is just cosmetic damage that it hurt no integrity of this container at all. We loaded this Hardox container up. It's a 30 cubic yard container with these pig iron blocks, and those pig iron blocks each weigh 30 to 40 pounds each. The total weight we estimated over 100 tons of pig iron loaded in this Hardox container. The sides were bulging, but as you can see, everything is still intact. There's some scratches, but as far as the container itself, it is still a very usable container. No real damage to the container at all.
I was surprised. I did not think it would stand up as well as it did because the gauge is very similar. When you have 7 gauge steel, mild steel, and 7 gauge Hardox side by side, and you're testing them, and one you can't penetrate with a drill, one you can't pierce with a chisel, one you can't damage, and one you can, it's night and day.